To get Disney Plus on Xfinity, start by pressing the Xfinity button on your remote controller to access the Xfinity home screen on your TV box. From there, select the Apps option and choose Disney Plus. You will then be prompted to sign up for the service using your username and password. If you don't have an account, you can create one by selecting the Create an Account option. Once you've signed up, you can start streaming Disney Plus content. If you forget your login details, you can recover them by visiting the Disney Plus Help Center. It's worth noting that some TV boxes may not be compatible with the Disney Plus app, which could prevent you from accessing it. Additionally, any content streamed from the Disney Plus app will count towards your monthly Xfinity data usage. By following these simple steps, you can easily get started with Disney Plus on Xfinity and enjoy your favorite shows and movies.